Alright, so the next category, alright, is a scientific notation. Okay, what it means by this scientific notation? Okay, actually in Excel, okay, there is a special way, okay, of writing a very small or a very large numbers, okay, which help us to compare and use the same in calculation. Okay, so in this case, okay, in my examples here, okay, I want to show it to you, okay, the scientific notation with 0 decimal place and the difference between 0 and 3 decimal places. Okay, so we will go one by one. Okay, so this is the actual data. Okay, so how we want to change into scientific. Okay, so highlight the cells that you want to format. Okay, alright, either you go to the home tab, okay, at the number format, you can click the drop down menu, and then you can see there is a scientific option. Okay, when you click the scientific options, okay, you will see, okay, this is how they display the scientific notation. Okay, so but this one, okay, we didn't format into 0 decimal place. Okay, so how we want to decrease, okay, the number of decimal places, you can use this button, increase or decrease. Okay, so we want to decrease it. Okay, so you decrease it into 0 decimal place. So if you see here, okay, the output will be 1e plus 0, 0, 1. Okay, alright, so because, okay, if you see here, okay, the 1.256 actually the actual size, the actual value for this scientific notation, but because we want to round up, okay, into 0 decimal place, okay, so because this number 2 is still not exceed than 5, so this still remain as 1. Okay, alright, so the next one, okay, the next data, this is a small data, small number. Okay, so when you format into scientific with 0 decimal place, right click, format cells. So from here also you can change, okay, into category of scientific. How many decimal places we want? 0. Okay, and then when you click OK, so you will see there is a difference between, okay, a large number and a small number in terms of positive and negative symbol. Okay, alright, so this is a large number. Okay, actually they move the decimal point, okay, just to make the numbers become smaller. Okay, so if you see here, they will move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so it will be, the raw answer will be 4.01637 and so on. Okay, so just try, okay, right click, format cell, scientific 0 decimal place. So you see there will be 4e plus 0.5. How do I get the 0.5? Because I move 5 times. Okay, I move 5 times. Okay, and then why it maintain 4? Because the first number after the decimal point is still not exceed than 5. Okay, and then how they get the plus symbol? Because is a large number, you make it smaller, they will display as a plus. If is a small number, alright, and then you make it bigger, they will display as E minus. Okay, alright, again, so this one, can you guess what will the answer? So this is a small or large number? This is a small number, so we move the decimal point. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so the raw answer will be 3.377. Okay, so right click, alright, format cell, scientific. How many times you move? Just now is 6. Okay, so 0 decimal place. Okay, so that's why you will get 3, right? E minus 6. Okay, y is a 6. 6 times you move the decimal point. Y is a e because it's from a small number, you make it bigger. Okay, all right. So there will be a different answer if you set, okay, the scientific notation into 3 decimal places. Okay, so here, okay, right click, format cells, scientific, increase the decimal places, click OK. So you see the difference from 0 decimal place with 3 decimal places. Okay, so this is the data before we format it. Okay, so they will move one time, okay, just once. Okay, the decimal point will be 1.256. How do you get the E plus? Because it's from a large number, you make it smaller. How do you get the 1? Because it's only once, you just move the decimal point at one place. Okay, alright, so the second one, okay, we try to use a home ribbon. Okay, we change to scientific. Okay, there will be there will be 2.46 E2. Okay, so here you move the decimal point 1 and 2. 2.4598. That is a raw answer because we want to set into 3 decimal places. We increase the number of decimal places, so there will be negative 2.460. Why is a 60? Why? Because when you cut, okay, at the 3 decimal places, number 8, okay, is exceed than 5, so they will plus 1 here. Okay, they will plus 1 with value 9, but because 9, okay, when you plus 1, it will become 10, so they will add another one at 5. That's why you will get the answer is 2.460. Okay, all right, and then the last one, right? Sorry, the second last. Okay, format cell, scientific. Okay, with the 3 decimal places, then you click OK. Okay, so this will be the answer because you move. Okay, you now let's retry. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 times you move the decimal point. Okay, because they want it to be 3 decimal places. Okay, you cut it here because the after number 6 is still 3, it's not exceed than 5, so they just maintain it as 4.016 E plus 5. Okay, all right, and then this is our last data for this scientific. Okay, format cell and then change to scientific for 3 decimal places. Click OK. So there will be 3.377 E minus 6. Okay, we try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so because it's a 3.377. Okay, and then is enough, just nice for 3 decimal places. There is no value after that, so they just remain as 3.377 E minus 6. Why is a E minus? Because it's from a small number, you make it bigger.